First, make sure the brake is engaged. Next, locate the two pull triggers on both sides of the frame. Pull the two triggers as you push the handlebar up. This will activate the rotation feature of the stroller. Note that the handlebar does not need to go past the vertical position to start rotating the stroller. Now release the brake, and you are ready to stroll. The 360-degree rotation also works when using your Maxi-Cosi infant car seat. Note that the car seat can only be installed in the parent-facing position. Start by removing the stroller seat and installing your infant car seat adapters onto the frame by matching the color dots. Align the car seat to the adapters and lower the car seat until both sides click. Pull up on the seat to ensure it is securely attached. Then, follow all of the same steps to rotate the car seat as you would for the stroller seat. Enjoy your stroll with your baby facing you or the world ahead. You can also use the 360-degree rotation feature with your Maxi-Cosi Carriage Accessory. Note that the Carriage Accessory can only be installed in the parent-facing position. Start by removing the stroller seat from the frame. Then to attach the Carriage Accessory to the stroller, align the mounts of the stroller to the openings on the side of the Carriage Accessory. Make sure to match up the colored dots on the mounts. Push the Carriage Accessory down onto the mounts until each side clicks into place. Finally, follow all of the same steps to rotate the Carriage Accessory as you would for the stroller seat. Have fun strolling while your baby faces you or the world ahead.